Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and today I finally got my hands on the iPod Touch 7th generation, and we're going to be unboxing it in 2021. Of course, the iPod Touch 7 came out 2 years ago in 2019, and so, not a lot has probably changed since then, but we do know they at least have paid some attention to it, because the music icon on the sticker on the iPod, visible from the top of the box, is pink, which is a new addition with iOS 14. But let's not stall here. We can open it up by pulling off some tape on the side, and then we can lift up the top, pull off some more tape, and then we have the iPod itself front and center. Something I've always loved about the iPod boxes. I like that they actually show off the product instead of just a picture of it, but we can pull that out of the plastic piece there, and then pull off the sticker, and we have the iPod itself. It looks nice. It's the same general design that we've seen since 2012, but it's still a pretty sleek device. It's very light, very thin, and it always blows my mind when I hold this thing just how compact it really is. Also, the red is really nice. I love the red on basically any Apple device, and seeing it on the iPod here is great. And of course it benefits charity, so if you want to get red, definitely do so. But we'll come back to that. Let's look at the paperwork. So folding this up, of course we do have that paperwork. Doesn't come with much, nothing particularly interesting. Couple Apple stickers. My iPhone only came with one Apple sticker, so yeah. Underneath the paperwork you have the earpods and lightning cable. You might be thinking, hey, no charging brick, that must be new. Well, no, it isn't. That's how it was before as well. The earpods don't have the inline microphone and the volume up and down. They're about as basic as they can possibly get, but at least we do have them with the iPod, and of course the charging cord. So, not a lot coming with it, but I don't think anyone was really expecting too much. For $200, which is what the iPod costs, and you get 32 gigabytes with that, it's really hard to complain. The iPod has a lot of flaws, but it has the same chipset as the iPhone 7 and the A10, and the power it provides for $200, as well as iOS 14, is impressive. I'll be doing a full review on it soon enough, but for now just wanted to do a quick unboxing for those curious. After all, this thing's been around for about 2 years now, and it wouldn't have been surprising if they had changed the unboxing experience, but they haven't. So anyway, watch out for that next review. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you all for watching. I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I will see you all next time.